we're looking at the least expensive and maybe best value 2024 RAV4. It's like famous philosophers, the Beatles once said, but nobody wants to know him. They can see that he's just a fool. And he never gives an answer but the fool on the hill. Phew. And you'd be a fool not to consider Toyota RAV4, RAV4 Hybrid, or RAV4 Plug-in Hybrid, the RAV4 Prime. As long as it fits your family size and it fits your budget, RAV4 is versatile. Gets good gas mileage, has good space, has good power, and of course it's reliable as all heck. And it can just go for miles and miles and miles and years and years and years. And as we explore the first look at the RAV4 interior, at least in this video, we've got hundreds of other RAV4 videos on the channel. Probably do have hundreds by now. It's a lot. Anyway, look, it doesn't have all the bells, whistles, and gadgets, but a lot of people don't want all those contraptions, devices, features. Now me, I like the features, but I also really like the budget. You won't believe how much this one costs in the whole scheme of things. And we're gonna carry out our first look interior plan. Got some things to see there. Got the sun in our way, but we've also got second rows of seats. These are 2 rows. You'll like the headroom. You'll like the legroom. What about power? First thing we notice, prop rod. The good news is it's all out of the way, so if you want to do your own work, you got that luxury. This is a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine, 203 horsepower, 184 pound-feet of torque. You'll find an 8-speed automatic transmission. The nice thing about the power here is you shouldn't have any troubles getting up a hill, merging onto a highway, pulling out into tight traffic, that kind of stuff. It should be really good. You'll also find this particular one is front-wheel drive. You can also get on-demand all-wheel drive, 4-wheel disc brakes, and multi-link rear suspension. That tells me that it tightens up going around tight turns, get more precise steering, and then it loosens up nice and smooth when you're going on straightaways, like that. Some things you'll notice as we explore the side profile. Look at those headlights there. That was changed in 2022, much more aggressive and sinister. And then we've got some fenders right there. These are 17-inch steel wheels with the covers. Has cladding down below, matte black. Looks good with the magnetic gray color here. We've got a cutout in the window, some chrome around the windows, around the walls. All right, matte black mirror covers. And then no blind spot monitor standard on that one. So that's something you want to know. It also does not have the smart key push button start. You'll want to know that as well. So it doesn't have the auto lock and unlock there. You can do the beep beep on the keyless entry, but you do have to turn the key when you start the vehicle. Oh, we got to talk about the fuel mileage, right? Because I see a fuel door. Whoosh. That's right, we've got a fuel door on the driver's side. Whoa, 14.5 gallon fuel tank, and then the fuel mileage is 27 in the city, 35 on the highway, 30 combined. You know, we talked about the key, we might as well show the key. So look here, we've got lock, unlock. Don't see a trunk, so that means it doesn't have the power liftgate, and it does have, this is just like in Greece. Getting ready to fight at Rydell High. Got the switchblade key. Yes, that's right, we're looking at a plane? A plane! Look at this front end though. Ooh, look at this. We've got our turn signal. So it's in the front right here, that little rectangular piece, but it's not in the side mirror. We'll see it around back as well. Got the lights, the daytime running lights sweeping across there. That's pretty cool. No fog light standard on this one. Look at the lines, very aggressive, very bold. It has matte black along the lower bumper, kind of upper and lower grille. And then this is a trapezoidal front grille. It has Toyota Safety Sense 2.5. So it's not the latest one. The latest one is Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, but it's got a lot of safety features like road sign assist, lane centering, adaptive cruise control, things like that really will help give you peace of mind that you'll be safe. You might think there's not a lot going on with the back end, but I can show you about 10 different things. Let's try it. Turn signal indicator right here, and then we've got these nice chunky taillights. They cut across here and then jut in. Boom! So they look aggressive even from the back end. We've got chrome all around here. The 4 in RAV4 is blackened out. That's nice. And then 2 exhaust ports down below. Okay, We've got a windshield wiper, so it's not hidden here, it's exposed. It's like, I'm a flasher, look at me. Is there a power tailgate? I already told you there's not, so let's just take it from me that there's not. But I do see backup camera right here, and here's the little grippy along with the lights that illuminate the plate. I am in a deep hole right here, and it's worth it though, because I want to show you what this is all about. So this is an all-weather mat that you can get extra. See how long it takes me to flip up over the seat here? Whoa! So look, we've got a fabric or carpeted floor. You can also turn it over and make it the all-weather. Good for soccer equipment maybe, or camping gear. But you can also put it down and lower it so it's in this much. 100 billion inches difference. Yeah, see, look. Boom! Big hole. Big hole. It's like Long Duck Dong and 16 Candles. Psh, big lake. All right, we've got a storage for whatever you want it to be, a light, and tie downs here. Nice. See how much room you can add? Just a little bit more, but maybe that'll help you on a long road trip with the fam. Who knows? All right, can we put down the seats? Of course. So will they come down? Oh, when the seats come tumbling down, or when the seats come tumbling, tumbling. Got us some headroom, 5'8" here, my friends. The fabric seats are actually very comfortable. You kind of drop down in it and it squishes all around you, but it's not too soft. It's supportive, like your best friend. All right, here, look, lots of room. I got my bleep handle in case we have a seriously, Rob. Look, we got one pocket. We don't have two pockets though. Ooh, look in here. Bottle opening. Good room there. I like the all-weather mat that's one piece. All the way around. Plain. What is it though? United. Safe travels, my friends. We're getting ready to land. All right, look. We've got child safety latches right here. And then this is a nice cup holder and also armrest. Kind of firm, but still squishy. Please don't squeeze the Charmin. So what else do we have? 12-volt circular here. USBs back there would be nice, but you don't get those until you get up to the XLE trim. So if that's what you need, then go one step up to XLE. It's not that much more. You just have to be the judge of if it's worth it or not. Features, budget. How's the view from the passenger side? Through the window, it's like Led Zeppelin, in through the outdoor. We have a lot of pop culture references in this video. I hope you appreciate them. I like to mix up the information with a little bit of fun and lightheartedness. I think it helps the video flow better, and we can all appreciate songs, TV, movies. I think we got them all today. How do you like the pattern in the seats? These little check patterns. Decent bolstering here, I like that. I don't know if decent's a solid word, but it's good. All right, there are USBs right there. And then deep cup holders here. Different drive modes of Eco, Normal, Sport, electronic parking brake and brake hold. That's standard on every RAV4. That's cool. And then here we've got USB in the back. See that? And a 12-volt circular, along with the engine start and stop button. If you don't want, at a traffic light, your car to shut off, then just push that button. Looks like the Avengers symbol. The other thing I like is this storage pocket here. It fits wallet, phone, keys just fine, maybe a book, things like that. So that could help you. Now, is this digital? It is digital, but it's not like you might think. The temperature just rises up. You better rise up. Just like that, and this is the fan speed. I like the physical dials, and they've got little grippies on here, like almost like a rubber surface. Wah, wah, wah. The LE model does not come with a power driver seat, so we do the poor man's power seat. We pump. We are here to pump you up. So it pumps up quite a bit, and you could do it pretty fast, like a chong, 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 like that, if you want. Sure. Nice silver trim in here, breaking up the all black interior. I'm a big fan of that. Little pocket for whatever you want it to be. I guess engineers just said, put something there because otherwise it would just be blank space, says Taylor. We'll do the horn here. Honk, honk. Easy to use controls, like our cruise control, our lane centering, what, like that. That's pretty cool. And then this is for the radio and also to control your information display, which will be right here. Let's go through some of these features here. Okay, we're just going across. Tire pressure monitor for all 4 wheels, the trip information. Let's go to the next one. Lane tracing assist. If we push, lane centering is off. Now lane centering is on. Sensitivity, the sway warning. You can change all those settings, all those features based on how you want to use it. So let's go back. Pre-collision system. Do you want that on or off? And it'll tell you, are you sure you want to turn that off? Because you want the pre-collision system. Road sign assist. It's off. It's on. Now you can have your notification method. Do you want to be notified above the speed limit? By visual, by sound? Others. Only visual, like that kind of thing. Okay, let's keep going here. Notification level. Do you want to be notified if you go above the speed limit, because it's going to read the speed sign? Do you want, if it's 65, do you want to be notified at 70? Do you want to be notified at, say, 66, 68? That kind of thing. Vehicle settings. Let's hit that. Tire pressure warning. This is the, do you want this standard or extended for the engine start and stop? Tire pressure warning system. Rear seat reminder. That lets you know if somebody has opened up the door, I think within 10 minutes of getting in. So you don't want to leave a backpack or dog, a child back there by accident. Not that you would, but I mean, we see those news reports, so that's why it's there. Do you want English, French, en espagnol, en français, units, meter type? Do you want digital, like that? Or do you want, I guess we got to go back to that one. Or maybe you want analog. I'm telling you, I like having the digital, so that's what I'm going to put it at right now. And then we can go back again. Tag team, back again. Any messages? Service due soon, that kind of thing. And then here's our fuel mileage. And I think that's it. Oh, there we go. We got a compass, lane tracing assist, radar cruise control active. And then we could also get the radar ready with our lane centering too. This is the 8-inch Toyota audio multimedia. Hey, Paul Carrick, don't shed a tear for me. My life won't end without you. Yeah, I can't sing, but I don't care. So we can just switch it right here. You can pinch as, oop, my name is, oop, my name is. Here we go. Trip information, history, the fuel mileage. I'm just using a brand new car right now to give you what I need to show you. So it's not going to be very good right now. But look, register your profile below to load all your personal settings into this vehicle. So you can save your seat settings, your temperature settings, your radio settings. You do that when you first get started. And the cool news is if I want to go to a Toyota Camry that has Toyota audio multimedia, or a RAV4, or a Grand Highlander, or a Tundra, those kind of things, you can take your profile from vehicle to vehicle. So that's kind of cool. And there's where your personal information would go. Register your Bluetooth devices right here. It's real easy. You know, nowadays it just picks up easy stuff. So this is where you get your daylight savings time. You switch it over. Which time zone, 24-hour time, daylight savings, just switch it right there. Notifications, it'll tell you, I don't know what vehicles, I don't even know what that is. Software updates, it'll just over the air, I guess, update it when it needs it. But I don't know what exact things it'll send you. It's just, I would want to have those on. Sound and media, look at this. This is where we do our tuning right there, so we can get more bass, treble, levels. Auto sound levelizer right there, that raises the audio sound as you go faster. So it'll be a louder car as you go faster. So will the radio. Do you want that to go with it or not? I like having that on. So that would be something I would do. Vehicle customize. How do you want your lights set up? Door controls. How do you want the doors set up? So make sure you know that there are settings on the doors below that screen. And I think that's probably about it here. It doesn't have navigation system on this particular one. This is the dimming mirror, but it's the kind that you have to do yourself, so it'll make it a little bit less bright, we'll call it. Sunglass holder? Nope. Right here. Right here. If you want the doors, when they open up, the lights to come on, push door. If you want them to always be on, push that. All right, here's another microphone. You got 2 microphones, one for driver, one for passenger. That's nice, good benefit. All right, lighted mirror. With slider though? no slider. So the XLE is where you start getting the slider function. If you want those last 4 inches or so, sometimes that's important. Hey, look at here, we got a window sticker. So anywhere in the country you are, you can see how much this vehicle might cost. This is about as cheap as it gets. We've got made in Canada, it has a 2. If it's Japan, it'll start with a J. If it's a 4, it'll go to Georgetown, Kentucky. So look at those symbols. Great safety ratings. Here's the standard equipment from the factory. LED projector headlights, I like that. Toyota audio multimedia 6-speaker system, like I told you. Look at this. It starts at $28,600. We do have to get delivery in there, and this particular one has mats added to it. Mats with Toyota are not added at the factory. They're added at the regional assembly port. This one has really those options, and that's it. Just the all-weather cargo mat and the mat. And that puts it just over $30,000. Woo! That's a good value, my friends. Is it the best RAV4 value? If you want to get one and you want to look at their inventory, go to fredandersontoyota.com in Raleigh, North Carolina. Thanks everybody so much for watching. What do you think about the RAV4 family? Are you a RAV4 gasoline person, RAV4 hybrid person, or RAV4 Prime, the plug-in hybrid? You can fill it with gas, or you can plug it in and charge it. Go 42 miles on one electric charge, 302 horsepower. That's a lot. So maybe the RAV4 Prime's for you. Anyway, which trim level of RAV4? I'd love to know in the comment section. The more you leave comments, the more YouTube will promote my video, because it pushes the algorithm into action and it pushes mine higher. So anytime you can hit like, subscribe to my channel, or comment or interact with the channel, YouTube says, oh, they like this channel, we'll promote it more. That's your way of helping me without it really costing you anything. So thanks guys so much. I really appreciate you all. I'm at 2 channels, Toyota Jeff Reviews and Auto Jeff Reviews. Auto Jeff Reviews looks at Toyota, Lexus, and all brands. This one focuses on Toyota with some Lexus mixed in too. So thanks guys so much. I'm on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook. Hit all those 4 platforms, Toyota Jeff Reviews, Auto Jeff Reviews. Woo, we did it. Johnny Bravo. Victory! And remember to please click that RAV4 playlist. If you want to know everything there is to know about the RAV4 family, click the playlist. We've got well over 100 videos. I don't even know. Are we up to 200 yet? Hard to say. Thanks everybody so much. You're the best. See ya.